As you probably know, McAlpine were the innovators of the A10, C10 bottle traps back in 1957. And since then, everybody recognises McAlpine as the market leader. Just wanted to show you a couple of items this morning and talk over it, because there are various people coming into the market now, younger apprentices, etc., who can't go back to 1957. The A10V bottle trap and the C10AV bottle trap has got an adjustable cap which contains a diaphragm. This is an anti-syphon trap, which basically, if you get negative pressures in your systems, it will open and allow air to be dragged in and maintain the 75mm seal in the base of the trap. The trap base is easily cleaned and easily removable by a removable bolt and put back together again, so you can clear any debris with your hand rather than a special tool. As you will recognise, it's came a long, long way from the anti-syphon lead trap, which McAlpine made prior to this. Thank you.